Introducing Blades Electrotech engineered scaffolding solutions anti-skid platform, engineered for maximum grip and worker safety. Designed with a textured surface, it minimizes the risk of slips and falls, even in wet or dusty conditions. Ideal for high traffic zones and elevated workspaces, this platform ensures secure footing during construction, maintenance, or inspection tasks. Always inspect the platform before use. Ensure it is properly locked and supported. Workers must wear non-slip footwear and use fall protection gear as per site regulations. Safety is not optional, it's built into every step. Choose anti-skid. Choose confidence.